Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today's quote: to be a successful business owner and investor, you have to be emotionally neutral to winning and losing. Winning and losing are just part of the game. So this is today's quote. Go through the disclaimer. This is the disclaimer, and today is 9th June. So we'll discuss how to trade tomorrow, that is 10th June 2020. So straight away we'll go to the technical chart of the Nifty. So this is the Nifty technical chart. See, today it opened higher, went all the way and tested this 10,276 level and fallen from there. So it seems to be a big resistance is giving this 10,276, the 61.8% of the extension of this rally, right? So this level is very key right now. So now high resistance is 10,276 and 10,330 kind of levels. These levels is giving a tough resistance in higher side, and if coming to the downside, there could be a decent support around 9,950 or 960 kind of levels. See, the rally started from here and went halted here and retracing in the downside. So the retracement level from here, 23.6% of retracement is 9,960. So that may test tomorrow. In coming days, there could be a small choppiness in the market from 9,900 to 10,300 is the zone the market move in this particular zone. If the market breaks 9,900, there could be a severe fall and it may test this gap area. So 9,700 and 9,600 zone. So only if breaks 9,900, right? So that is the setup for the next few days. For exclusively tomorrow intraday, how we have to trade. So this is the trade plan for tomorrow. On 15 minutes chart. Yeah. Right. So tomorrow, if the price comes to around 9,960 kind of levels, we can attempt for a buying and keeping a stop loss of only 30 points and aiming for a target of 85 to 100 points as a profit. So this is a simple trade plan for tomorrow. There could be a small bounce from here because this fall should arrest somewhere. So I'm expecting it may arrest here around 9,960 because the entire fall, the retracement level is 23.6% retracement. So that level may get some support to the market. So this is the trade plan for only for tomorrow intraday Nifty. Now we'll see the Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty daily chart. See here, this level is giving a stiff resistance, that is 21,600 and 21,900 zone. This zone have a stiff resistance. Today also it just tested that level and fall from there. So in coming days, this gap area may give good support in the coming days. That is 19,600 and 19,400 zone. This zone may give some support to the Bank Nifty in coming days. If you see this rally, the retracement level, see from here to here. So it closed near 23.6% of retracement. So next what we have to observe is either tomorrow, if this level breaks, today's low breaks, there could be a probability of testing this candle low. So that is, so this candle low is 20,300. So this level, it may be tested tomorrow if this breaks today's low. So for tomorrow's trade plan, how to trade tomorrow Bank Nifty. So this is the trade plan for tomorrow's trade. So if the price comes to this area, so 20,380 or 350 kind of levels, we can try to attempt for a buying opportunity and 100 point stop loss and aim for a target of 20,700 kind of levels. So this is a simple trade setup for tomorrow. Right. So this way we can trade Bank Nifty tomorrow only for intraday. And for tomorrow we'll trade two stocks for tomorrow intraday trading, that I'll show you. This is Titan daily chart. If you see today, is a big red candle, so it seems to be the selling pressure coming in this particular zone. So it broken downside the zone. So tomorrow we have to take an opportunity to short Titan. Where we have to short, and we'll see on a 15-minute chart. So a shorting opportunity in Titan tomorrow intraday. So I'll remove this. Now you'll see today the price fall, went up, fall and base. This base area will give a decent short entry. So this entire area, right? So 1013 kind of levels. So this is the entry. 1015 or 161 rupee here or there. So this is our entry, and keep a stop loss above this candle. So near about 15 rupees as a stop loss, and aim for a target of, this stop loss 15 rupees stop loss where we can put here. So above this candle, right? Okay. So then aim for a target of this demand zone. So the target is somewhere I can keep here, just above the demand zone. So the 1:2.4 is the risk to reward. For Titan is only a selling opportunity tomorrow. Even you can trade a contra. If the price opens somewhere here and comes to this area, you can trade a reversal trade, buy and keep a stop loss and aim for a target of somewhere here. So that way either you can trade. The best opportunity is shorting. So the another stock is Dr. Reddy. This is Dr. Reddy daily chart. If you see the rally, small correction, again the rally. So this rally may continue to the level of 4,500 kind of levels. It may go in a positional trading basis. So if you want to hold a positional this stock, you can enter tomorrow. If any dip comes, you can enter, keep a today's low as a stop loss and aim for a target of 4,500 kind of levels. And exclusively for tomorrow trade, so this was the supply, this is the previous supply, so 4,050 and 4,090. So tomorrow if the price comes to this zone, this may give some support. So intraday for tomorrow, how we have to plan this? See, this is the decent rally in the morning and consolidated here itself. So tomorrow the trading idea is like this. So around 4080 kind of levels we can buy. This is my entry, 4090 or 4085. Strict stop loss below this. And I aim a target $150 is the target. So this way we can trade Dr. Reddy tomorrow. So entry is around 4090 or 4085 and keeping a stop loss below 4075 and aiming a target of 4150. If the price opens a gap up and sustained above gap up, also we can buy and keep a stop loss of 15 or 20 rupees stop loss and aim a target of 4200 or 4220 kind of levels. The two types of entry we can trade tomorrow, Dr. Reddy. Yeah, that's it, friends. Today we discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and two stocks. One is Titan for a shorting opportunity. The other is Dr. Reddy for a long buying opportunity. So this way we can trade tomorrow. We'll see how we'll trade tomorrow with the stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.